Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share an unboxing I'm doing for BeeBeeCrafts. I did sign up for their program, and if you're not aware of it, it's a YouTuber program. You have to have at least 100 subscribers to your channel, and then you go to their page and fill out their application form, and then they'll contact you and get you set up. I will leave the link for you to check out their program in my description box below. So this is the items I chose. You're able to choose approximately 3 to 4 items, and then they just require you to do a video approximately once a week, 3 videos. And that's pretty much it as far as the program goes. So check out the link if you are interested in my description box below. And so it does come in this poly mailer, and they have bubble wrapped everything so it's nice and secure. I don't really remember too much of what I ordered, although it did take maybe 2 weeks, maybe, to get here. I think I ordered it October 27th, and it came last week. So around 2 weeks. Now we know they packed this thing very securely. Ain't nothing slipping out of its packaging. Sorry, all the crinkling. Ooh, I see stuff. I see stuff. Let's check this out. So, let me get rid of the bubble wrap because there is a glare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Okay. So, let's see. This first thing is a random mix of food, resin, Cabochons. So these are the different Cabochons you get. The macaroon. You get a Mickey cupcake, some candy, some ice cream bars, some cookies, some milk chocolate, some meringues, some milk, some donuts. Oh my goodness, all this funness. So I have those. Let's just get them back in the bag. That didn't work so well. Oh, look at the cup, the piece of cake too. Okay, so those were the random mix food resin Cabochons. This makes 10 sets of pendant making sets. And there's a set of 10. So it comes with the pendant and then the clear piece to go over the pendant. So to make 10 of those. And then I also got 144 pieces. 16 colors of gummy bear Cabochons. They're made out of resin. And look at how fun! They all come in this package. And look at the colors. How fun! So 144 of those. Then this is the 50-piece mix opaque faceted acrylic bow knot beads. So they do have a hole so you can be strung. So it could be strung. Yeah, so you can be strung. But look at all of these fun colors. So you get 50 of those. And then the last item I got was leaf-shaped what are these called? Bales Bezels. And here's the container. And so guess what? This is, these might be bigger than I thought they were. Let's see, because I was going to use them to put on the back of those gummies, but I might need smaller ones. Let's just check it out. So we got a assortment of colors. Yeah, maybe a little bit, yeah, too big, a little bit too big, huh? They might be too big, but then I don't feel like they're probably not too big for the, I don't know. They might be too big. Oh, here we go for the ice cream. Well, that's what I bought them for, were to make charms. So I'm gonna see what I can work with here. And so these are the items. Stay tuned because I will be sharing some projects that I've made with these items. Thank you, BeeBeeCraft, for allowing me to share your products with my subscribers. And thank you for your program that allows us to test your products. So if you guys have questions, leave them in the comments below. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget, I'll leave the link to the products in my description box below, as well as the link to their YouTube program in the description box below, so that you can go and find out how you can get some awesome items that you could craft with as well. So if you're new here, again, welcome. Returning, thank you for coming back. Please consider sharing this video, like and subscribe for more videos you can see here. And until my next video, shakas!